On this video, I'm going to go into a bit more detail on 3 groupings of the BSK Pantry, specifically Closebys, baking goods, and root cellar. Closebys are a few items that you should always have readily available to your primary kitchen workspace. Keep salt and pepper in ramekins so they can be added by pinch. We also have small spoons in case fingers are wet. Olive oil is kept in an easily handled container that dispenses properly. Some butter is kept at room temperature to be used in baking or as a spread. Baking goods are a collection of dry ingredients associated with baking. All-purpose unbleached flour is the only flour I use and make it work for everything. For sugars, we have standard superfine, confectioner's sugar, and light brown sugar. This is also available in a dark variety, but the light one is what we use. Baking soda and baking powder. These are both chemical leavening agents and obviously 2 different things, so just pay attention to what the recipe calls for. Cornstarch is a thickening agent. Powdered milk is often called for in baking. Vanilla, cocoa powder, and espresso powder. Espresso powder may seem a bit exotic to be considered a pantry staple, but we usually add it whenever we're using cocoa powder to give things a deeper flavor. The root cellar are items that are kept in a cool, dark place. These are root crops and include onions and garlic. We go through a lot of onions and garlic, so the levels of these items are constantly monitored and refreshed. Unlike a yellow onion, purple onion is better suited to be eaten raw, so they are used as such. We always have a couple potatoes on hand. They get a bit of a bad rap these days, but they are a wonderful, versatile ingredient. So that is a bit more detail on these 3 groupings of the BSK Pantry. These are items that you should always have on hand and never run out of. Please check out my other videos on the different groupings of the BSK Pantry.